I had
Umustari.
Superstar.
Munyakazi.
Bine kubigoye kwanda.
Chawa. Jamun chawa. Take a flag. Abagande shaka mushireho flag. Nukuri Winifred, Alia, Uwateje ndabakunda cyane murakoze. Nyami. That's the name.
Umunyarwanda, mw'abanyarwanda mwe muri kwigira abagande mwe.
Oh yeah, Bruce. Do Bugande, man. But I've learned the language.
Abanyarwanda bari kwigira abagande.
What?
Ni gute Mukamana ashyira idarapo ryo.
Speak slow. You're too fast.
I'm saying. Randiza pretending to be Ugandan.
They know.
Randiza pretending to be Ugandans.
They're pretending.
How come your name is Mukamana and you
so
claim to be Ugandan?
They're lying to me.
They're lying to you. All these people I know, they are Randiza.
Abagande muri comment please.
Ask people from Burundi.
Oh, Nabarundi ariko. Sat B is my good friend.
Babwira bashira kadarapo abarundi.
Bashira ka flag y'abarundi. Abarundi muraho. Mushireho flag abarundi.
You are going to see some people from Uganda claiming to be Burundi. Bari abarundi bari hano.
Moise ati but Nyamirambo, this one is lying. You're lying. Now I know you're lying. You put Uganda, then you put Burundi. But it's all about love. It's East Africa. One country. Turabagande. Ubugande.
Muri my emojis. There is no East African flag.
We need to have. We have an East African flag. Okay, Umva. Mushireho East African flag.
It's not there.
They don't got
nothing like East African flag.
Shaka East African flag, guys. If you have it, I'm giving you $500. East African flag, please. $500 now. I'm giving you, please.
They
don't have it.
Yeah.
Now go live. It's crazy. No one got East African flag, guys. East African flag, please.
Do we have some Tanzanians here? Tanzanians, where are you?
Tanzania, where are you? Mko wapi? Tunawapenda sana. Tuko pamoja Tanzania.
Unajua naweza kuzungumza lugha ya Kiswahili.
Najua Kiswahili bro. Mimi naongea 12 languages. In Uganda I speak like 10. No, serious.
Now the rest is 3.
The rest is
not 2. It's 2 in fact.
Okay, let me start in Uganda. Runyankore, Rutoro,
you do this.
I speak.
When you say Runyankore, say, tell them like.
I said, how are you? Okay.
Not how are you.
I tell them what.
Tell them like I'm in Kigali, and the weather is so nice.
Okay. Runyankore. Yeah, and in Kigali. Weather. How do you say weather? Ndi hano muri Kigali akashana kija.
What's that?
Akashana.
The
sun is there.
Is that Runyankore?
Akashana kariya hatu inekinji.
That is sun.
Enjura yone yegwa konka Rwanda rijete ine shonga. Runyankore. Ati nozo mu Kiga. Ngende turi hano mu Rwanda umushana guriho harosa mnonga mbwenu.
I was expecting Mugeno.
I speak Lukonjo from Kasese. Kuti bab. Ukasondaki.
That's the only one.
Kasondokburo.
Bro, that sounds like something totally different from what I asked you. Explain. What did you say?
Kuti bab. Hi, how are you? You good? What do you guys want? Kasondokburo. Kuti.
Yeah.
You have to change the whatever language. Then now we go to Uganda. Mugamba china ichechile storage.
Na besha na byo mfate mu mutwe na muhumure nari.
Menye singo, kate singo,
What's
That's Luganda. Like break your neck, you know.
That's Luganda.
Yeah. That song, the popular song.
You know, Sacha, don't just say whatever you want to say.
Bruce, the weather, I don't know the word in the weather. How do you call like the I don't know how to translate. Even in my language, I don't know.
Oh.
I'm a
So
Mshika, but
that's a hard one.
very hard, bro.
All right.
You made it so hard.
Now
for
let's
me.
change it.
So we
Tell them Kigali is very clean.
Kigali ariko ni nziza cyane.
That is Kinyarwanda.
Kinyarwanda.
Keep going.
Aha. Nimefurahi sana.
Kigali is very clean.
Tunawapenda. Kigali is very clean. Kigali ni nziza cyane.
Bro! You told me you speak 12 languages, right?
I'm trying.
In every language you speak, just tell them Kigali is very clean.
Kigali is there. Uh-huh. You made it so hard for me. I'm tired, guys, but okay. Let me see. They're saying I'm lying.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys.
Crazy. But turabakunda cyane.
No, Onyankore. Kigali eshomererwa.
No, you said Zanzigaranga Zimbarara. What did you mean by that?
Jimbarara. I'll go to Mbarara.
Za Jimbarara?
Yeah.
Za Nikaraga?
Nunzira zawe.
Nunzira zawe. What does it mean?
So
you have to explain that because I kept asking you what did you mean by in the song. It
on
my
street
ear.
here. When you say Kwikaraga, Kwikaraga is like spinning, but that means to move. So I'll move in your ways, like Munzira zawe. Zanikaraga Munzira zawe. That means like I'll go wherever you go. Like to explain everything. So Nzaji Mbarara is like I'll go to Mbarara. Nzaja Mbarara.
Tuzakuja Mbarara tubakunda mnongo.
Tuzakuja abantu bambarara. Tuzakuja.
Tumine shonga mbyao.
Ebiye shongoro.
Nibenda mate.
Ebiye shongoro. Is that what is it? Songs.
But also we call it utubari. Like stones. The songs we call them utubari.
Oh yeah.
Utubari. Yeah. Amabali is songs as well.
Okay, ebiye shongoro that. Yeah. Ebiye shongoro
Byona. Titwine shonga.
Tubikunda.
Munongo. Young titwine shonga. Young titwine shonga. We don't have it. Mushireho muri comments. Yeah man, that's nice. Thank you so much. Murakoze. Imitima ya radio bayishizeho. Radio, love for radio.
Ijekete mu modoka. Show them how I look.
Radio was half Burundi and half Uganda.
Half Burundi, half. And then show them how I look like.
Oh, okay.
Like, guys, Nahingi must stylist.
They're putting so much love for radio, but okay. All right, flip the camera. Let's go. Flip camera. Let's charge my phone. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for supporting East African music. My name is Sacha Vibes. I'm so happy. Pom Pom is a very important project because it puts us East Africans as one of the next contenders of Afrobeats. You know, so it's amazing that you guys are supporting. You're showing love. Also, shout outs to the band. He's an amazing friend of mine as well. And we're pushing the industry, guys. We're pushing. This is entertainment, so please, we cannot hate each other. Let's love each other. Let's push the game. Let's push the brand. Also, run these video directors. And thank you so much for pushing the game. Keep pushing. Keep building East Africa. This is for East Africa. Sibio, it's for East Africa, please. So, turabakunda cyane. Bruce, are we still here on the line?
Guys, I think we are going to say bye-bye. What are you going to go to?
Pom Pom is another thing.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is.
Thank you.
I'm
Impa 20K.
Impa 20K. Ariko basaza namwe murandahuriza. Murimo gusaba umucitsa amafaranga.
Charge my phone.
Ayafite mu mashiringi. Ayafite na mashiringi. Sacha, what's the name of that song? Nkwagala.
I want to charge my phone. I'm off.
Type C.
Yeah, Type C.
Dajin kuzania.
Crazy.
Now, guys, I have this talent. When the song is playing, tugira ngo ndayizi reka mbabwire ukuntu ikigande gema numva gisounding kubera boroshye umunwa twe urumva iyo tugiye kuvuga tukavuga ngo wenda ibyana ubyumvishe like that is serious ibyana abagande batavuga ngo yabeyana you have to be a little bit soft
you know vibrating
ebinyobwa ebyenyanja ebyabijanja So it's very easy. It's very easy. I can speak Uganda.
Uganda is very complex. It's not easy. It's very complex. It has so much detail. So much detail, and one word can mean like have 20 meanings.
That means you have few words.
Very many words. And with different very many words, but also the words are too big.
Like.
Now you see the janjaro.
Hey.
Okujanjawaza. What does that?
Okujanjawaza. It's like.
Okujanjawaza.
Okujanjawaza.
Akajanja.
Akabanga.
So akajanja now the janja is beans. Akajanja would be like maybe too much attitude or whatever, like akajanja. You know akajanja.
Ndina akajanja. Banange ndina akajanja. That is pride, right?
Yeah. Akajanja. It's not a good thing. It's you're just too like I don't know how the exact words are. Yeah, too attitude, but also too much wahala. Please, guys, help me, Banango. Abaganda valiwa. They have to tell you kajanja. So kajanja is too much.
Now, ebijanja kajanja.
Beans. Kajanja okujanja waza. You see?
So guys, do you remember Kuri Kiss FM of Tebori twa waza? Okujanja waza.
You got it now. That's what I'm telling you. One can have different shit. Like, it's crazy.
Mwakoze, thank you so much for being with us. Our people from Uganda, much respect. Turaza kongera guhura. Tujya kurabagana. Tujya kurabagana. Echiro. Echiro.
Crazy. Tugenda ku interview.
Echiro
is night. It's at night.
It's not. Now.
What do you want to say tomorrow? In the evening?
Afternoon.
Evening.
Afternoon.
Regular.
Could you say regular? Na midnight. Okay, tujya kurabagana regular. Abantu banje rero bina iwacu abantu tuvugura ururimi rumwe mwakoze byatari ko mwabanye natwe turabakunda byahatari turimo kumara umwanya kugira ngo turebe ko indi interview yaho tutarananirwa cyane iyi mirimo yina ntago yoroha buriya nubwo mujya mubona nyine abantu baba babirimo bishimye ntago ari ibintu byorohera abantu bose amanya rero nahageze base Sacha agiye gushaka hari ikintu cyo kunywa abantu bacu barahari dore babantu mwashaka kureba ngaba bahageze
bagarutse bigeze mu jana 100
57 ese ndamuzi yo
When you ask someone a question
ariko kunywa amazi ashyushye man ushaka amazi akonje
I love this. You asked me a question to speak languages I forgot. This is crazy when they ask you to do something.
It's not crazy. You don't speak languages, bro. Just be honest with us. Like, be honest with yourself. You don't speak those languages. You can just communicate.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. I can communicate. I don't speak Ruhaya from Tanzania. Ruhaya.
Bro.
Wancheke chanke binyobwa sana.
Bro, ya ruhaya. Ibaze ko uyu mudage atangiye kumbwira ko ariho n'indimi zitiranwa n'amasekurume ngo ruhaya sha ngo ruhaya. Ngo ruhaya mwokanyobwa mwe. Nkubita rero umusikama w'umugande.
Wancheke chanke binyobwa. Wancheke chanke binyobwa. Abahaya mushire
comments. Wancheke chanke binyobwa saro. Muranyumviye. Ubana rimaze kuba wa mudage muzi ibintu yakoze se yagiye afata indirimbo nkugura umuyaga ngo je m'appelle tinta bamba ageta ko ngo riba ruvuga
Congo
dingara ndeko nanga
ça bien
oza malamo urabona uyu mumureba mu
mitegereze français c'est le parle français I speak small French but je m'appelle Sacha, j'habite au Kampala. J'adore Congo. Murakoze cyane. Yeah man.
Uyu muhungu mugende mu following ahantu hose. Ni wakoze pompom, reka mbabwire indirimbo zose wakoze. Yakoze tuza baby yo. Akora.
That's the first project we did together, right?
Shira ku mutima y'amagambo. Akora. We are here to celebrate you. Cerebro. What else? Izembeazo. Akora pom anakora ngo. Nalingina nga stressite. Murumva ko twakoranye akazi kenshi rero mumunkundire nawe ntari birye. N'umuntu twabanye muri ibi bintu sana. Asante sana rero mwakoze kubana natwe turabemera byahatari. Kandi kwikuraho bigiye kongera bibi bibazo kugeza amagwingo ngaya. Ino TikTok kuyivaho biraza gusaba umugabo sibundi. Ugomba kuvugana n'abantu man. Ugomba kujivugana n'abantu.
And you know, I think I'm gonna go live as well on TikTok.
That's good, it's okay. But people are there.
Talk to them.
Know what's going on.
People like Sacha, you're not anywhere. They keep commenting. Like there's a guy who went on the podcast. He was saying Sacha is not anywhere to be seen. And it's like we love him so much, but we don't see him.
How did you see him?
No, the guy who invited me on the podcast said, "Bro, we need you on the podcast." Some guy said you're not anywhere. I'm like, okay, I'll come and do an interview. But I told him, you can't see me